Hey guys, Weston here. I'm the CTO of Vista Leads, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put together a Facebook ad in order to drive traffic to your landing page. So, just to show you, this is kind of what we're going to make. We're going to use ABC Retail as the business, and we're going to create an ad that looks something like this. Okay? So let's jump back over here. So we're at ValueSumo/ABC Retail. This is the website that we're going to, or this is the landing page that we're going to try and send traffic to. All right. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to jump into Facebook. Okay, so log into Facebook if you're not already logged in. I'm sure a lot of you might be. All right. Okay, and then this is just your regular homepage when you log in. Now, over here in the top right-hand corner, there's a little arrow, and I want you to click that. And down here, you're going to click Create Ads. Okay, so now Facebook is going to start loading your ad account and getting everything ready. Okay, perfect. So we're doing the first step on creating a Facebook ad. All right. So campaign name, let's type in ABC Retail Campaign so that we know which campaign this is, because we're going to be able to go back in after we create the campaign, and we want to know, we want something that we can recognize so that we can go back in and change it if needed. All right, so this is really important. What's your marketing objective? Now, Facebook bases their success and bases what they charge you off of this, right? What your marketing objective is. Now you can go in and you can look at all these. All these have little information buttons, right? Local awareness, promote your business to people who are nearby, etc., etc. You can go in and look at that. For now, I'm going to use the traffic objective, and I'll show you this one. It says send more people to a destination on or off Facebook, which is exactly what we want to do, right? We want to send people from Facebook to our landing page. All right, so we're going to click traffic here. Okay, scroll down, click continue. Okay, now this is where things get exciting. Okay, down in this audience section is where you're going to be able to target anybody in the world. Facebook has collected so much information about us over the years, and this is how we can target that. This is how we can target our target market using that information. Okay, so for now you can see that it's targeting everybody in the United States. If you're an online company, then that might be what you want to do, or if you want to target people in Japan or wherever. If you want to get more specific, you can start targeting people by states as well. So if you're more of a local retailer, for example, California, this would target everybody in California, right? If you want to go even more specific, let's go Los Angeles, right? If you want to target everybody within a 25-mile radius of Los Angeles, you can go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and keep that. So right here, I'm looking at this number over here, this potential reach. So the bigger this number, the better, but at the same time, the bigger this number, the less targeted your campaign will be. So I actually don't want to do that. I want to jump down to maybe 10 miles. Let's go a 10-mile radius in Los Angeles. All right, and that drops us down to about 7 million people, okay, that are going to see my Facebook ad. Okay, so what if ABC Retail over here? What if ABC Retail is a women's retail store? Okay, you can target using gender as well, so you can say women. All right, and age, so 18 through, let's just say 40. Okay, 18 through 40. Perfect. So we dropped our potential reach from 8 million people, or was it 7 million? 7 million people down to about 2 million people. Perfect. And Facebook is telling us your audience is well defined, right? But what if we wanted to keep targeting? Let's keep targeting, and you can target by languages. Right here is where you can start doing some massive targeting. So if you go ahead and click browse over here, you can click demographics. You can start targeting people by if they have an associate's degree, or if they're a college grad, or if they're in college, right? It's kind of crazy what things you can start targeting people. Finance, you can target people based on their income. You can target people that people in households that have an estimated household income of between 100K and 125K, right? Income, net worth, generation, baby boomers, millennials, home life events, and you can go ahead and get crazy with this targeting. So I'm going to go ahead and go into interests, and down here in the shopping and fashion, clothing, I want to target people that are interested in women's clothing. Okay, people that are interested in women's clothing. So if I go ahead and click that, that drops it, that cuts it almost in half, right? So we're at 950,000 people now, just based off of that one targeting. Okay, and you can go ahead and target anybody you want, right? Online shopping, boutiques, dresses, people that are interested in dresses, people interested in jewelry, shoes, shopping, etc., etc. The list goes on and on. It'll give you suggestions, and you can keep on targeting, right? Okay. This is also one thing to keep in mind is that when you put your ad out on Facebook and it is not working, right? It's not reaching the right people. This is where you come back in and you start tweaking with this, right? You start changing different things about the targeting in order to make your ad perform better, right? Your ad might not work on the first round, on the first go. It just might not. So that's why we come back in and we tweak the targeting a little bit and we keep tweaking it until something sticks, right? Until something works. And the more you know your target audience, the easier this will be. Okay. All right. So now you can go down here, placements. This is showing your ad to people on desktop versus people on mobile. So let's go ahead and do that. Edit. Let's go mobile only. I only want this to show up on people who are looking at Facebook on their phones. All right. So budget schedule. The minimum amount is $5. So if I type in $4, it'll give me a warning that says, hey, you have to have at least $5. So let's go ahead and do that. $5 a day. All right. And schedule, I want to run my ad continuously starting today. Now you can pause your ad campaign at any time. So that's why this might be the best route. Just go ahead and leave it as this because if something isn't working, you can go ahead and pause that ad, change something, and then have it go again. Okay. All right, right here, optimization ad delivery. So you want Facebook to optimize your ad in order to get the most link clicks. And that, in our case, that's what we want because we want to send people to this landing page, right? Okay, cool. So then you can go ahead and change any of this other stuff if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and move on, continue. All right, single image format. Let me jump down here. You want an image, and the image you want probably needs to be the same as the image on your landing page right here. All right, and so let's upload this image, and it will give us an ad preview over here. Boom, perfect. Okay, right here, connect your Facebook page. This is where you're going to want to connect your business Facebook page. In our case, it's going to be ABC Retail. Boom. Okay, that's looking really close. Let's look at this ad. Yeah, we want it to be something like this, right? So right here, we're going to connect the web page. So HTTP, let's go valuesumo.com/ABC Retail. And that is the page. It's this page, right? Because we want, when somebody clicks on this ad, we want to send them to that landing page. All right, so let's go ABC Retail. Let's go buy one, get one, half off, special, right? Special. All right, and then we're gonna go VIP flash sale. and then et cetera, et cetera. You can go ahead and type in whatever text you want. But yeah, okay, so this is the ad. It looks just like the one that we had that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay, so now you can keep scrolling down. And this is the other thing that I wanted to show you. If you guys are using pixels, if you're using a pixel on your landing page right here, and you can find that in the Vista Leads platform underneath advanced settings. But if you're using a pixel, go ahead and click track all my conversions from my Facebook pixel, right? And then this should be your pixel that shows up. And then if you do that, your Facebook pixel will be activated and you can track it based on this landing page or based on this ad. Okay? So now when you're finished, then all you need to do is hit place order and you're done. And your ad will be out live. It'll be charging you about $5 a day. At most, remember, at most $5 a day. And then you can go ahead and if something is wrong with your ad, then jump back in, change the traffic or change the targeting, change the offer. Go ahead and change the words if they're not working, if you think that those aren't working. And it's a really easy way to just put something out there and try it, right? And if it's not working, then go ahead and switch it up. Switch it up until you get something that sticks, until you get something that works, right? Yeah, so if you have any other questions about Facebook ads, then I would suggest going to Google, typing in Facebook ad help, and one of the first ones that comes up will be very helpful to you. So right here, so create Facebook ads, build your Facebook page, ask a question. This is a really powerful resource. If you don't know Facebook Ad Manager, you can learn a lot from just going through and reading a bunch of these articles. Okay, well, if you have any other questions, then don't hesitate to let anybody at the Vista Leads in the Vista Leads family know. Go ahead and email us or find us on LinkedIn or whatever. And until next time, good luck with your business and good luck driving traffic to your landing page.